voices in my head. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Mermaid Gabrielle. Today I am doing an anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. So rather than explain what it is, I'm just going to show you. So first things first, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Next, I'm going to go in with this Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. This targets dark spots, shadows, puffiness, and it also firms the eye skin. I've only just started using this eye cream. It was a gift from a friend, but it seems pretty good. Next, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow Primer. As you would have seen before in my other videos, I have a few of these minis and they are my favourite. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation and I'm using Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is in shade Light Beige and it's basically a foundation and a concealer all in one. Please forgive me for the way that I'm putting my foundation on. It's actually running out. I'm professional, yes I am. Next thing that I'm going to apply is my concealer and I'm using Urban Decay's Naked Skin. We're a vampire, but we're not like a typical vampire. We're a classy vampire and we actually do wear foundation, so I'm not doing like majorly pale skin. We all know that vampires have really good cheekbones. Now I'm thinking maybe gold highlighter as I'm going for a lot of red, but silvery white looks really good too, so So this one is Jeffree Star Skin Frost in shade Summer Snow Cone. Oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. I've put my contact lenses in. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using Moonlight Mermaid's matte liquid lipstick in shade Shipwreck. So if you're wondering about my outfit change, I just had to pop out. But now I've finished my eyebrows and I'm going to start my eyeshadow. So I think I'm starting on the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. My eyes are going to be predominantly red, so I thought if I put in some of an orangey colour, it might add a bit more definition. I'm taking this colour right up, almost to my brow bone, but not quite. This colour here. And it's like I don't know, like a crimson red, a burnt red, something like that. I'm really going to spread this out at the edge as I want a gothic kind of cat's eye. Now I'm going to deepen it with this really dark burgundy brown colour. I'm going to keep this really close to the crease. Add a little bit of brown underneath. I'm going to add even more depth by putting some more brown on the corner. Real smoky eye. Put the concealer on my eye first and then with my flathead brush I'm just going to spread it out. I'm loving, absolutely loving the colour that it's coming out. It's like a copper red and I love it. Okay, so on the outer corners I'm just going to go back in with some brown. This is my Urban Decay Moondust palette and I'm just going to take the shade Element, which is this pinky red shade here. I'm just going to put some Jeffree Star highlighter, this is the Skin Frost in shade Ice Cold, into my tear duct. I'm going to apply some eyeliner to dramatise my look. These are the NYX lashes. I'm just going to go over my lashes with some mascara. So I've got these Cocoa lashes in 205 and I'm just going to cut these up and put these underneath. Now I'm going to take Moonlight Mermaid's matte liquid lipstick in shade Shipwreck. Just gonna finish my look off with these fangs that I made earlier. These fangs, you basically just mould, and once the mould set, you should be able to fit them into your mouth at all times. This is my anti-Valentine's Day look. Of course, vampire inspired. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed my video. If you liked, please like, subscribe, and all my social medias will be on the screen now. Until next time, ciao! I'm adding this bath bomb and I'm hoping that it will turn the water red. And it looks like it's happening.
It's the freedom I shouldn't have with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well